Hey YouTube fam, blessed new week, blessed new day. Hope you had a beautiful weekend, and I know you're all in your preparation. You Americans for 4th of July, and the people just come up on Canada Day, big cooking and everything. But I just want to say thanks for watching, thanks for supporting, thanks for everything. Remember to make sure you're liking the videos. Remember to make sure you're giving me a big fat thumbs up. Your post notification person will be on the screen. We're running across right there on the screen at some point in this video. Dad, you want to say hello?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah. So that's it.
Blessed day.
All right. So today, guess what happened? As you see, I did. Today is Monday when you're seeing this, and I hope to let you get to watch this vlog today. You'll see that I did some jerk pork yesterday, but we didn't make an official dinner at home here. So what I did, I let me look on the curtain right there. I need to forget. We still yet forget official curtains, but that's okay. I did not cook, so we never met an official dinner. So I guess honestly, I did buy. You know, did look all the price. I got some pigtail, yeah, and I got some salt beef. I never see the lamb side. So guess what I'm gonna be doing? I wanna make some stew peas. I don't know if I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat stew peas, but I don't think I'm gonna eat mine with the rice. But I know Dad will eat it and Jerry will eat it. So look here, I have add salt beef in here. So I'm go make some of the salt beef. See here, look. I like them packaging here though, I'm not tell no lie. Really like all them packages. It's really nice and it's very expensive, but good things, when you do things good, it costs money. So I'm gonna use half of it because I want to make some pepper pot soup with some of the salt beef here. So I was gonna see, I'm gonna put piece more. Lord God, I don't want to do too much. Yo, make this steak my pepper pot soup. I want most like pepper pot soup. So I am going to be putting some of the salt beef, more pig's tail. So I go something there, and I told me I can't afford to put this in a one set or something. So I'm going to pour maybe about 3 hours I go eat it. So I'm gonna be taking out about half of the pigtail, and I really like this with it. This is so convenient. Me not tell life family. It's really expensive as opposed to this. Yeah, can't take up this my pigtail. It's really expensive as opposed to the regular, but guess what, I'll tell you something. I have something to tell you, I'm wanting to listen. You see the packaging, it cut up, but that's all it's select. It's still properly, you know, select. So that me I do. So I wash off my salt beef, my pigtail, see it? Nice, yeah man, nicely packaged. I love that. I honestly do love that. Oh no, look for me, ma'am. So now me I go now. I'm not put no name though, but so me I go now. So the salt beef here. It kind of smell like, but I don't know. So I haven't had salt beef in a long time, and you know, so you have to know what you do when you use 2 salt beef next few peas. So that is what I'm gonna be doing. Me I go wash off the heavy salt. Wow, piece more. So you see there, nice little something now. Salt beef and peas. So I'm gonna get it washed again, and I'm gonna leave it to pre-soak, and also make like some peas to soak. I'm gonna make stew peas and white rice for today. And chat with it. See? I'm not going to eat no rice. I might just eat potato. I think we have sweet potato, don't it? Yeah. Sweet potato and
Banana.
And boiled banana. Them plant over there, so them well right. I can't go no rice and peas. Nobody not care for rice planting in this house here. So I am going to be putting this to soak. I should have do it already about 11 now in the AM. Should I do this from early in the morning? But look here. I know what I do, so I'm going to fill up this water. Body I run late in, so I come up just take out something for my breakfast. She do laundry. So I'm going to leave that to pre-soak in the dish. I'm going to fill up this water and about another hour and a half or so. I change the water and then I scald it down. Gonna be, let me wash my hands. Gonna be making, clean up the sink and stuff. And then what I basically will be doing, I'll be putting these 2 other left back pickled meat into Ziploc, separate Ziploc bag. And look here, wanna keep pickled meat in the refrigerator, please don't. You're wrapping down the fridge. Salt meat not go in the refrigerator. Even if you've been putting it in there, I think you should refrain from doing it. It will rot down the refrigerator after a time, you know. So let's put them in my thing. I have a little them little tool. So we just put it in there with the salt maker, guys. So make sure I put it and put it in an upright position. Since I pull it. So this is how I'm gonna be doing it, and I'm gonna put it in my little tote on top of the island over this or somewhere. About the place and that's somewhere. So look here. I left my salt beef and my pigtail soak off, and then I'm ready. I'm gonna wash them off with the lime water. Put them to start. We're gonna be making stew peas and tapping stew peas. Today is Monday, but it's also normal the regular stew peas there like Wednesday, you know, originally, but everything changed, you know. Yeah. So we're gonna be making stew peas and talking a little bit. You understand? Some people must have got you know. So I'll catch you in the next clip. So me look how good the babs. I put some lime juice. The lime juice helps to take out the salt fast. I have some garlic. I put it in the peas. Basically, I take out my pressure cooker because that I roll with today. I'm not in a boil down. They done my gas. Cause look here. If you know what I do. I will use a little pressure cooker here. So maybe about another hour and a half. I change the water. So I can start cook probably about by 1 o'clock a good time. Yeah. Right. Alright, family. So I'm going to start here now. I'll look at pressure cooker here. I don't know. Sometimes when you see things pan a good brand though, you know, but I never use a pressure cooker so narrow. Look at me, I have more than enough peas. So. This looks like it's alright, don't it? Put more water upon this. Make it by itself and then just freeze it. And this is peas and pretty, you know, brother. Okay, now I'm getting a pretty color, don't Anywho, my meat is right here. The right there, so scald off, and I'm telling you that it look like this the soak. This the soak when me that soak it. I throw some more water, like it shrink it. But anywho, cause we have it sun, but it look like it a cool and we are gonna get some rain, which we really do appreciate. But me I say, me look on something I show you another. Alright, so my meat there. Somebody was asking about Jessie. If Jessie is what we do with Jessie. Jessie Diamond. It's just that our flight did delay. She Diamond, she reach. She want a little facelift. Jessie, oh I forgot left Jessie. Oh I'm too now, I forgot to do that. No sir. So alright, so me I go. Something that I don't really eat the rice in it. I can't eat the rice in it. Honestly, I don't think I'll be eating any rice. So, see Parry? Yeah. Family, yeah. And I did the pan. I have that. I did soak it in the lime water. I'm gonna rinse it off and then I pre-soaked it another time again, wash it off. So I forget a little scala. The little heat I forgot to it for take out the salt and the little, you know, the salt. You know, put out the little, take out the little salt scum there. So I make it one scald off and me catch you back in the next clip. Okay, fam, so I mean uncover now. You see, even though you soak it and you see the scum, you see them at the top what come from the salt, yeah. When you're using pickled meat, you see saltfish, salt mackerel or anything, you have to scald because during the time that it has been infused by the salt and what the saltpeter, whatever them want to use, you see during that time there, it absorbs all of them something there. So you see, you have got to make sure that you scald it. No, you don't get a little scald, you know, you see, come down, put a little bit of something, see, piece of salt beef. So I was telling you that, I mean, come on girl now, dad have to run out on the road to deal with something, so. Yeah, no, so yeah, you don't want them something upon your meat, no sir. Yeah man. I want them here. Wow, I said that pot your famous to burn me. So I just want to get a little rinse off again now. Regular water. Regular tap water. And then now I'm gonna put it in the pressure. rinse off. I put it in my pressure. I think I need a little more water. And I have my garlic that was thing in there. So I don't like a pressure cooker today. It's very powerful though, you know. She said the peas are working peas. I put a little more water on it. And then I look like them not hard. So I can see like that color that look like stew peas in my pot. No color. This is not a I think I've just used this pressure. This is my third time using this pressure cooker in our family. So right now, I tell you the truth, I don't even get the whole gig of this pressure cooker yet. So I can't find instead of steam build up in it. I can't only make it give about 5 minutes cold. After the steam build up in it is very powerful. I'm not really make it too narrow, but it is like seriously powerful. I wish them they come with that. So Cobb understands it more. So this is where we get the pressure area. This is the pressure area. Or around on the other side. When I get the gigated in a family. Right here. Around this one. Right there. That made that tell you. So fam, never make it go on. When it starts, the bit pressure build up. No more than 5 minutes. If not, everything I got turn mud. So me gonna see what I go on with this. I think this is about the third time I'm using it. I mean, I really get it yet. You know, when you get a new certain type of pot, you have to get the giga. Yeah. Pressure pot, me have to really take a little time with that one. Because I'm going to use it often. I'm not really fancy. It's too narrow, but it's powerful. But next clip. So I am washing some rice from just a little rice. I don't want a people of grain I eat. I eat the rice Saturday. I'm going to eat no more rice again. So it's probably bone. Not for the rest of this week. I don't want any more rice from it. So this is just go with that and jar. I guess I'm gonna want none. So the ear, even though I hear the pressure cooker over this sound, so it's very powerful. Let me go take it start up the rice right here. So and also I am gonna put some never cook I'm gonna cook. I don't know why this take out 2 potatoes. But I'm cook it anyway. 2 banana and a piece of rice plantain. That's what I'm gonna do for myself. So I think I'm gonna stir some. I think a 5 minutes since it's time. I get some more water and then I wash out the pot. When it's cool, when the soup is finished fresh, I'm gonna empty it out now this and finish it up inside of this. So that's it here. I'm peeling my potatoes here. Potato love oxidized. I have to be cutting off this because them dig the potato and whatever, you see it? And all I come out and for them, I'm going to put that in a bag and put it in there. Alright. I'm going to wash them before I put them in the fridge. I don't know, sweet potato going or something. I'm sure I'm going to run the knife through it because I don't want to cut this, you know? So, put in the potato them and 2 banana because I don't think that I eat no. Right now I don't even know people are eating at the house here. Cobb says she don't want a stew peas. Put on your stew peas the one next day. And the rice down the side dry up. I'm not cooking all it because yeah, I'm not even sure if I'm going to eat till tomorrow because I know we're not settled down fully yet, you know, fam. But can I ask you all something? This Monday blues. I'm recording this little video and on Monday I like me literally a fight with it to record it. The Monday blues, that's why I'm not take on for do laundry, I'm not take on for do nothing for Monday too routinely. No, I'm not take on nothing for do nothing for a routine. As a routine on a Monday because on a Monday to find that blue that groove there, it's hard for me. Price mark, I didn't buy them here, no. Now, them no look so 100, but they're not better than on market. You know, so this one look a paring knife. This is not even the right knife. I get myself 2 more knives. So, in the water. Them not even look so 100 in the water, no, but Neither I look 100 neither. I'm gonna put in the plantain. The plantain face sauce, so I put it in on it here. What are the top this on? Make it. When did I cut this? What did I do with this? I don't even know. I peel a piece of it and fry. Family, 4 people live somewhere. And you fry one ripe plant and it not beat. And you end up fry half. And out of the half you fry, most of it waste. I don't even remember me the fried for. I honestly don't even remember. Two banana. Just pull me up here. Nobody's eating. Nobody not do no whole heap of eating around here right now. You know, we are trying to get to everything in groove, you know. So, you know, I do no whole heap of eating right here. No what's bad. Notice you don't see me I cook nothing. Yeah. When I cook again though, nobody not really have to do no whole heap of eating here right now. Me mostly I drink more liquid, like, you know. So I make some. And that one is 100, you know. And you know, it is going to stay and not feel it anymore. I'm just mostly taking liquid from this morning. I make some cucumber, some beetroot and papaya. So I have a little leaf in this. I'm going to have it later on. Mostly I take liquid here right now. Because with the hot time, that I find out nobody not eat nothing. So. Okay, this it not done. It not give way till I read something go down. See, I'll put in here and it not up for now. This today sauce steam, yeah. And basically hit 4 people in the house. And this is our food, yeah. We eat about another level of probably eating right about now. You see them under mount sink, yeah. Make sure I get a good plumb of install mine I sent me. These under mount sink, if you don't get the right, but I see how some people have get some new house about the place. I mean, this house is brand new, and the undermount sink it not properly installed. You have to, either can install them sink here, you know, then undermount it. They are very nice, but you see in between this one, I'm going to cobbler them. So this is what it means. So me that I wait for the, what is something the name? The pressure. Cover chicken out, she gonna make her own something. Now we are gonna make pasta and something. You're not sure yet? Okay. Well, my life I get easier with cooking. Fam, my life getting easier. You know them at time and nobody know. I want a big plate of food to eat and all it at dumpling and all them something, you know. Me definitely not deal with it. Me not take it on. For the night them so hot. Yeah. You know want nothing. I think this so. Oh yeah, you know so what? I have to go make. I have to go make the dough to make the pinners there. So next clip. Family, y'all are cooking with me some Monday Blues dinner. Yeah, you know about that? I not put no thing that in this. So that's something in here. I not put in any salt. Cook some Monday Blues dinner with me. Tell me about the Monday Blues there. But you me never make nothing yesterday. Did we cook Saturday? No. We did not. Here it does give weight. You hear it? The pressure, you hear it? It just gives weight. Yeah, so. So I go and make them little pinners here. And then what I'm gonna do, the pressure give weight, so I'll pour it out inside of this. When I know it's there, I just hope so it's not too soft. I don't want it too soft out. I can just go and make it cook a little more with the pinners in it. And so this is what I'm doing. Don't do like this. You hear me? Because your flour will spoil. Just 2 little pinners me and make my always just catch the water. Tell me if you do that too. Just catch it quick and just, see it? Just dry it under the sink quick and just get a little tot. And that's it. Clean up my hand. And next clip. So guys, let me tell you about the money blows. It's still a family. Just come take a little seat right here. So the kitchen is really hot. Fan the way down there, so we don't have no AC in there, so right about now. And the gold AC if you go in there, so because in here it's really usually about a 36. Right about now, we can't afford that right now. So we are going panka till such time. So look here, yeah. So see my little door here for my little something. So I'm just gonna sit down right here. So just like my mother would do. If you grow up country, then I know them something there, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna start showing some lick and promise cooking. Tell me in the comment section. Talk to me in the comment section. Engage me. Tell me some of the lick and promise them want to do. I'm going to show you some of my lick and promise them. You hear me? I'm a Jamaican. I know a lot about lick and promise. Yeah, so I'm gonna see how the meat in the pressure stay, you know, and something. I just want to go on and I made my little door. Yeah. Here we go, the peas. I'm make it look too bad still. Look, so. Wow. Oh. Hold on, the family. I'm going to do this different off my camera. You see this a pressure cooker? And a pressure cooker for your ramp with here. So just panic at time, family. I swear this thing was just pressuring for about, I don't think it reached 5 minutes. I'm telling you. It is so narrow. The height is okay for me, but when I saw it and I didn't know it was, I didn't even read. I don't know if it look like I never read good for to say it was so narrow. But let me tell you, it doesn't make a lot of noise when it's pressuring, but it have a piece of, because, you know. Let me tell you, man, me around put it anyway. So here we go. So I'm still over here, so I'm look a banana and plant and something and simmer. Did I show you rice is finished? And I am going to be putting in my peanuts them right about now. Yeah, may I make this come up? Yeah. Start putting my little peanuts them, and then I have my little skeleton and thyme over there. So I don't put like a little black pepper and a fig pimento seed. I don't put no farmer seasoning otherwise in my stew beans. No, nothing to miss. You know, these are what my mother used to make. This is how she would make hers, and smaller too. And she would have it with the two little pointed ends, and that's why she said it's called pinners. The ends, they must be pointed. That my mother tell me. So you wouldn't catch her say spinners, but some people say true you go so. But this is not spinning. Spinning is going round. This is rolling. So she would make them. I can't make them like her. I never. She just pinch off a little piece of the dough. Something like this. Yeah. Yeah. So she make fair them. And she said they are called pinners. That's how she make them. You roll them and them have two little pointed ends. I just can't get it. So, and they are small. If I want them, I just make some big soup dumpling. Putting it in, yeah. So she would just come like this. That's how she would do it. And just drop it like that. So she call it pinners. You see? When she done roll it, it have the two like a pointed end. How she do it, I don't know. I don't get it. Thin. And the ends are pointed. And she say it's called pinners, not spinners, Debbie. I never forget that. Closest me ever come to it or something like them there. I see some people cook and make them and get it though. Tell me if you can make it. Tell me if you got it, if you get the pinners. Yeah. But I'm here. I try to finish up. When I'm not going to see me eat, we do not do. I'm just going to show you the finished thing. Because Daddy's not here. I'm not going to eat. Really till him come. Because I don't really feel hungry. Because I'm going to drink my little juice and leave back. Yeah. Banana over this and so. You know, I'm just holding this little piece of dough left back in my hand. And I can remember, you know, my mother. I always remember her so much. It's so... Sometimes, you know, but it is what it is. So, I always say, Mama, when she make the dough, she always left piece of me. You know, as a little girl, you want to make your own a little dumpling. I had make your own a little dumpling. Now, make good, you know. I make your little dumpling, you know. How many of you remember with your mommy, you know. And when you remember sometimes, yeah, I don't know, me sound teary-eyed. Yeah, I wish those days could have come back again. But anyway, come in. The salt beef all it's only pretty though. Yeah, not true. The peas never too bad. Don't no comment, me not put nothing in it, you know. So it all yeah, man. Not true. Yeah, not true, Cobb. It all cause it did look like it did work less. But, you know, look bad at all. So make me taste. I hope it's not salty. Too salt meat, wow. This is good. Well, it one, man, so I'm gonna leave it now to start taking its body, and I'm gonna go get the little, you know, the little condiments. May I turn off this as this cook. I'm gonna put nothing more in. My soup is enough, fam. That's just me. I don't put nothing more in there. Them not look bad. The peas never bad after all. Comment and tell me. Yeah. Maybe too story and make it get little body. I really don't. I think I work with that color, yeah. When see me next it I go finish, I'm going to show you what everything look like. I don't think I'll be eating with you this time because that is not here. So I'm just going to sit down and relax until him come. I'm not sure if I eat neither, but I just make sure I do something that him. Because I know him will eat because we never do nothing much. Even though we have the jerk pork, we still have jerk pork living there. We never do no official Sunday dinner. So turn out this liquor. I'm not really put nothing more in my stew peas, you know, unless I did have a piece of celery or some basil. But outside of that, I not put nothing more. The meat out like you out for mash up. But him says I'm like him stew in pigtail. Him like him pigtail cooked till it just melt off. So let me just see if I can mash the cloud of peas. Yeah, cloud of peas. But I'll take the cloud of mashing. Alright. Good day. You see time you go like it. And it never so fresh, you know. So look at work this time there. Sell the indigo bite for me. It don't look bad. Think of. Wow. I'm not telling a lie. It don't look bad at all. Family don't know coming. This wasn't the best time of cooking video, all know. But look here. I don't know say the real me get to know. When it's up, I give it, and when it's not up, I give it to know. Look here, I can see how it goes. Good day. Stew piece finishing a fine style. Coming down, just a little way left to go. You see that? I'm not telling a lie. When I comment, that's a sign like him in pigtail. And it just seemed like it. That thing. Nothing did know that one is new to me. So I don't know if Jerago. No, sir. I don't think I'll be eating this evening, fam. And what I had since morning. I woke up I went to bed last night at minutes to 11. The roast did hot last night. Hot roast. I called to David's family line. So you know it will come down a little more, somewhat. Don't look a fat pan or something. That's just what I like it. So I don't really want it to get thick down because while it cool down now it will get thick up, and when him come, I have to go reheat it. So if when I reheat it, I have to go throw water. So I leave it like this. By the time him come now and it cool down, we can just turn on the stove and reheat it. Look at rice done. I had on the stove top, keeping really warm, yeah. You should have fit two of them. I don't know why I cover for this day. Real kitchen. I have my banana, and Dad might eat a banana and piece of the potato, but I don't think I'll be eating tonight. So pretty much this is the Monday blues cooking you get today. So comment and tell me if you know about it. So as I was saying, I went to bed last night like almost 11. I woke up this morning minutes to 4 because I wanted to start fast. And because since the whole relocation, I've been pretty like out of touch with my fasting. I fast and pray a lot. I include fasting in my praying a lot because fasting along with prayer works for me. So I started back this morning for a few weeks now, get myself back on track, and then after my fasting, I broke my fast with some olive oil, warm olive oil, and then about an hour after, make some fruit juice. No, lie. I'm lying right there. I had a cup of tea with about 5 crackers with the scarce, I just barely pass on the peanut butter on it, and it may look out at the back porch, but the grill lock. And yes, a cup of tea about an hour after I had a cup of fruit juice, and since then I've been drinking water. But the time is hot, you see, and when the time is hot, I can't eat a lot and go on with all of them something. It's getting, you know, officially summer. But thanks for watching, thanks for the love. Look out for your name at the post notifications. I'm missing something too. I want to get my rug here. I'm going to get my rug washed before I put it in my room. When I have my rug, comment and tell me. I like to get a good lay on my rug and to get a good stretch out when I'm feeling like them days, yeah, you know, them look Monday is not my day, but comment, Monday personally is not my day. You know, I always try to keep it low on a Monday, but I have to make some food for that. But I like to lay on my rug and get a good stretch, lie down, sleep, wake up, meditate. That's how I do it. I'm missing that too. But you know, when you relocate or when you move, it's hard to get everything. It takes some time, depending on how much stuff you have and all of them something there. It takes a whole lot of time for you to find some of your stuff. Let me tell you, it's not easy. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you again with another video. That is not here to tell you. I call folks, say bye now.
Bye.
All right.